order blocks.
If this green candle is bigger than this red candle,
so if the green candle is bigger than the red candle, so that's a bullish engulfing.
and the next candle also form green, this
And if the candle after it is also green,
means market is going to go up.
it means that the market is going to go up.
So you can enter for a buy right here.
So you take a buy at the end of that second green
You
candle,
can see the market absolutely skyrocketed.
and the market's
Subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch the full video.
subscribe to his YouTube channel for the full video. Okay, cool. So you know what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do, TikTok, is that he said once you get this is a inverted hammer followed by bullish engulfing, and he said once you see this, so I'm gonna assume it's once you see a reversal candle followed by a bullish engulfing, you need to wait for the next green candle, take a buy after that, and see how it goes. So let's test that theory. Right. So here we have Euro USD, exactly how he stated on the 30-minute time frame, exactly how he stated. You have got a lovely spinning top in the middle. I found a bullish engulfing. You can see that the candle straight after it